How to take notes. Essential question, what are some strategies I can use to take effective notes while I research? What's one tip you could give a fifth grader about how to research? Think back to Monday, Tuesday's lesson. I'll give you a second to think. And remember, this is what our assignment looked like on Monday, Tuesday. The how to research questions are over here. Come up with at least 3 keywords for your topic. Using those keywords, write a research question about your topic that will help you know what to look for. And test out your research keywords and questions on Google. Read until you find something that kind of blows your mind. So hopefully that helps jog your memory. Let's move on to what the heck do notes have to do with Research and History Day? Think about that for a second. You don't have to write it down. Our sample topic is AIDS. So we're going to learn how to take notes about it today. Then you can take what you learn and apply it to your topic. We're going to use the HAPPY strategy. It stands for something, which I'll show you in a second. The first 4 pieces are for pre-reading. That means we're going to look at the stuff before you even start reading your source. First, historical context is what the H stands for, meaning what was happening when this was written. The A stands for audience. Who was this made for? The P is for point of view. Who wrote this and what do we know about the author? And the second P is for purpose. Why did they write this? After you've read the source, you can go over to the why, which means why. Significance. It's for after you're done reading and you want to ask, why is this important and what can we learn from reading this? Bigger questions. So you are going to do an assignment that looks like this. Here's page 1 and here's page 2. That's about it. On page 1, you're going to notice it says how to take notes, page 1, directions. Read the title and first paragraph of a Reagan transcript from Schoology, or below it's linked. Use that to answer the questions on this page. This page just has the same pieces of HAPPY that I just read to you: historical context, audience, point of view, and purpose. Let's read the first paragraph in the title together so you can fill that in. President Reagan's remarks to the American Foundation for AIDS Research, May 31st, 1987. Here are the sources and the context paragraph. AIDS is a potentially life-threatening condition caused by the virus HIV. The disease was first found in the USA on June 5th, 1981. The disease was nicknamed the gay disease as many of the first people to contract and die from the disease were gay men. However, the disease impacted people of all genders, sexualities, and races in the USA. Ronald Reagan was the President of the United States from 1981 to 1989. Reagan did not publicly acknowledge the disease and mostly withheld government funding on AIDS research until this speech in 1987. Over 89,000 people died from AIDS while Reagan was president. Reagan has since been criticized for his lack of action in preventing or treating the AIDS epidemic. Now that you know this paragraph, you should be able to fill in these 4 boxes on page 1. For page 2, the directions say, watch the whole speech if you can. The link is below. It's also in Schoology. Notice parts that stand out to you. Then go back to the Reagan transcript from Schoology and read over the highlighted paragraphs in order to finish these questions. Why? Significance. Why is this speech important and what can we learn from reading this? Once you've done the assignment, submit it to the Dropbox and you are good to go.